The 750S JC96 is a limited-run homage to the McLaren F1 GTR that raced in Japan. It is available in Coupe and Spider forms, with bespoke liveries and interior details. All models feature the MSO High Downforce Kit and ride on custom-forged wheels. A new chapter opens for the McLaren 750S Coupe and Spider, though only a select few will see it in person. McLaren has introduced the 750S JC96, a new special edition limited to just 61 units and built exclusively for Japan. It carries the MSO High Downforce Kit, new forged wheels, unique livery choices, and subtle gold accents in the cabin, all celebrating McLaren's triumph at the All-Japan Grand Touring Car Championship, JGTC. The JC96 was created as a homage to the number 61 McLaren F1 GTR that won the Drivers' Championship at the JGTC back in 1996. Hence the name and limited production run. The livery of the original race car featured a tiger stripe design combining rocket pink with tarmac gray. The new version has similar graphics available in 4 shades: Memphis red, titanium silver, ice white and graphite gray, chosen to be compatible with the wide color palette of the 750S and unique options from the MSO bespoke paint program. For those who want to stand out even more, the MSO department offers the more extensive and hand-painted JC96 tribute livery that will be strictly limited to 4 of the 61 units. All C96 models ride on 15-spoke ultra-lightweight Delta-forged alloy wheels, a modern nod to those used on the F1 GTR Longtail. These are paired with gold brake calipers, though other colors are available, and a natural titanium finish for the stainless steel sports exhaust. Furthermore, the JC96 is fitted as standard with the MSO High Downforce Kit, which is featured for the first time in the 750S Spider. This includes a more aggressive splitter, a larger active rear spoiler with integrated end plates, and underwing louvers, increasing downforce by 10%. The mid-mounted twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 remains stock, delivering 740 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The interior sports a gold-finished pedal set, matching accents on the switches, and a numbered plaque mounted on the carbon fiber monocoque. Buyers can choose between 3 variations of full Alcantara upholstery with contrasting stitching and JC96 lettering on the headrests and armrests. There is also carbon black inserts and brushed dark titanium details all around the cabin. Optional features include the MSO interior livery theme pack that brings the JC96 tiger stripe pattern to the steering wheel marker and paddle shifters, a bespoke key, the McLaren track record plaque in the front, and more. McLaren hasn't announced official pricing for the 750S JC96, but the formula is familiar. With just 61 examples planned and MSO customization in play, expect a number comfortably higher than the standard 750S.